Damage to branch circuit wiring or service entrance conductors or equipment can occur as a result of a floating or open neutral. In homes with aluminum wiring, a floating neutral can cause high voltage to flow through the neutral conductor, overheating and damaging the wiring and connected equipment. Overextended branch circuit runs can experience increased resistance, leading to voltage drop and excessive heating. An open neutral can exacerbate this condition, causing further damage to the conductors. High voltage on the service entrance conductors due to an open neutral can damage the wires, meter, or other connected equipment. After rectifying the floating or open neutral condition, it is crucial to evaluate the affected electrical system thoroughly. Firstly, perform a visual inspection. Look for any visible damage to the wiring, such as discoloration, charring, or melting. Secondly, perform continuity testing. Use a multimeter to verify the continuity of all affected conductors, including neutrals, grounds, and hot wires. Thirdly, take voltage and current measurements. Check the voltage and current on the affected circuits to ensure they are within safe operating limits. Fourthly, use thermal imaging. Use a thermal imaging camera to detect any hotspots or areas of elevated temperature indicating potential damage. Fifthly, perform insulation resistance testing. Evaluate the integrity of the insulation on the affected wiring. Once damage has been confirmed, it is necessary to repair or replace the affected wiring and equipment promptly to ensure safety. Firstly, disconnect the power. Turn off the power to the affected circuits before proceeding with repairs. Secondly, replace the damaged wiring. Damaged wiring should be replaced with new, properly sized conductors that meet the applicable electrical codes. Thirdly, repair damaged equipment. If equipment has been damaged, it should be repaired by a qualified electrician or replaced if necessary. Identify and address the cause of the floating or open neutral condition to prevent future occurrences. It is important to note that the extent of damage caused by a floating or open neutral can vary depending on several factors, including the duration of the condition, the electrical load on the affected circuits, and the quality of the wiring and equipment involved. A thorough evaluation and expert guidance from a qualified electrician are essential to ensure safety and prevent potential hazards.